No, it's Bob too.
Just working on the exam review today, the benchmark exam review actually gives to us by the curriculum specialist at the county. So same old, same old. So you wrote this note down for number 1. So if you want to spend more time outside the classroom working on the benchmark review, it is posted in Schoology, and there's a document there with answers. Okay. So if you have like a tutor or a parent or a brother or sister, and they're like, let's work on math, you know that this document is right in week 9 Schoology. I mean, we haven't done absolute value in a while, so I thought we should do one. So I'm gonna change the screen to do that. Does everybody have we wanna remind you that the benchmark is next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, right here in this classroom. All right, I'm gonna change the screen. Because I didn't finish these. Okay, how did you not finish it? It was up here forever. Okay, give it back. Give it back. I'm moving on. Madison, what do you do first to solve this? How do you do that? Okay. What about behind you? Do you know how to do it? What's the first step? That's a good idea. Subtract 5. You guys should have been talking to her about how to do the problem instead of whatever it is you're talking about. Work more quickly. Okay, get to work instead of waiting for me to come up here. Yeah. Okay, before I start solving this problem, I know that Romani has asked for the bathroom mate. Danica. Who else is going to ask me about the bathroom in the next 40 minutes? JC, you can go 3rd. Krishna, you can go 4th. I'll take one more. I think you were the next person. Ashley, you can go 5th. Okay, now you 5, the next time I take this, you 5 do not get priority. Okay, some other 5 do. So because so many people are asking every day, we'll have to keep track and just make sure it's not the same people every day who get to go to the bathroom. So, like I said before, go during lunch. All right, Romani, you're first. Ready, go. Danica second. JC, Christiana, and then Ashley. Let's hear it. What do you want to say? should pretty much cover class. 5 passes is enough. Yeah, if you want to tell your parents and have your parents email me about the bathroom situation, I'll be happy to talk to them about what's happening in 5th period. Okay? Could we do math now? Are we good? What do you want to say? Yep. All right. So you're right. Let's subtract 5. What do we do next? Divide by -2. Divide it. That's actually multiplication right there. You cannot distribute in. As a reminder, you have to divide it. Oh, right. Switch that. Nothing has happened inside there yet. Okay, so the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 4. This is actually just setting up the problem. So now the problem is ready to be solved. Okay, before this, all of those steps, remember you have to isolate absolute value. Okay. All right, so now that it's ready to be solved, what's the next move?
Make 2 equations.
For absolute value, you need 2 equations. Absolute value requires 2 equations. So we're going to do x minus 3 equals 4. That's your positive possibility. And the negative possibility is x minus 3 equals -4. So you have to set up 2. All of your absolute value equations should have 2 answers. So here I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And x equals 7. And here I'm going to add 3. And x equals -1. So this is on your benchmark review. I want to take a minute to talk about it because it's really easy to forget. Absolute value should have 2 answers. Hey, you got your assignment from yesterday. I'll walk around and give you credit for it. $230. Alright, so this one is page 230. Alright, so for 19, I matched it to graph A. For 20, it was matched to graph C.
I am. Did you even do it? Crazy. Should have been. Yes. Then you gotta pay for it. Camera. She'll be my witness. He'll be my witness. You saw that? Kind of playing against me.
No, don't play against her.
Yeah, don't play it against me. You guys don't even play soccer. He doesn't. See? No playing it against me. This is fun. No, I was going to circle K out.
Alright, next two. Find the X and Y intercepts.
Two granola bars, two sandwiches, and a bag of chips. Yes. No, I had to make it myself. No, it's uncomfortable. It took me 2 minutes to open that freezer.
Alright, let's talk about these word problems. I know that those might be confusing, especially the letter A. Let's check that out. Okay. You have a budget of $300. You're fine. To order shirts for the math club. The equation 10x plus 12y equals 300 models the total cost. X is the number of short sleeve shirts and Y is the number of long sleeve shirts. Interpret the terms and coefficients. A lot of questions about this. A lot of students just like, I have no idea what it means. So we have a coefficient of 10. And Ashlyn, you had this one done, right? How did you interpret the number 10? So interpret the coefficients. What did you write for letter A? I don't think I did it right. Okay, well, what did you have? You had words, so you have. It isn't words. I just wrote down term and then I wrote the number. Okay, yeah. So one term is like 10x. Yeah. Another term is 12y, and another term is 300. Let's talk about what 10 might mean. Okay? X is the number of short sleeve shirts, right? So 10 is right in front of X. It's 10 times X. And X is short sleeve shirts. And what does the whole equation equal? $300, right? So what do we think that 10 might be in front of short sleeve shirts? What did you say? It's the amount of money it costs. This 10 means a short sleeve shirt costs $10. How do you think about that? So If we bought 20 short sleeve shirts, it would be 10 times 20. Okay. All right then. So then, what do we think the coefficient of 12 means? Short sleeve. How many short sleeve shirts could we buy? 30? 30. So you can buy 30 short sleeve shirts and 0 long sleeve shirts. You know what that is? That's an ordered pair. That's 30 comma 0. So that's an intercept. You could go ahead and plot that. If X is 30, your Y value, your long sleeve shirts are 0. So I got a dot right there. Okay, Megan, let's say we bought 0 short sleeve shirts. How many long sleeve shirts can we buy? No, 300 is the amount of money that we have. How much does a long sleeve shirt cost? Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Daisy, what did you get? 36. Is that true? Yeah. 300 divided by 12?
It's 25.
25. So that would be 25. So then we could plot it by just thinking, oh, if I get 0 of one type of shirt, 0 of another type of shirt, how many could I? Those are your intercepts, and that's how you interpret them. Yeah, let me just do the math here for you. So what I said was if I buy 0 long sleeve shirts. Yeah, y equals 300 over 12, which is 25. You guys ready to try again? Okay, now, to be honest, I didn't do any of these word problems with you before, so it's okay if you didn't get that one. Totally fine. Let's try it again. 24. Your goal is to bike and jog 150 miles this month. You want to bike no more than 100. Oh, bike and jog 150. You only want to bike 120. The equation models the situation. X is the number of hours you bike. Y is the number of hours you jog. Ooh. So what do we think 12.5 means? What I see here is it is 12.5 times, and what did it say X was? Jogging hours. No, biking hours. And it's 6 times jogging hours. And then what does it say your goal? Oh, your goal is in miles. Can anybody figure out what 12.5 represents? Or 6? I'll let you guys talk about it for a minute. Hours. Mm-hmm. So what is the 6? No, we don't know how many hours she's going to jog. No, that would be plastic. We don't know the number of hours they want to do, but we're trying to figure out how many miles they go total. The total miles they want is 150. What could 12.5 and 6 be? You know it, Chuck? What? Each, yeah. It's not each mile, so. Because we know they're going in miles. Yes. Romani got it. Yes, how fast is another way to look at it. Good job, you guys. What this means is that this person, this 6Y, means they jog 6 miles per hour. Is that reasonable? Can someone jog 6 miles in an hour? It's like a 10-minute mile. That's normal. 10-minute mile is normal. So, and then they bike. Now, I don't know anything about biking. Can you bike 12.5 miles in an hour? Do you bike twice as fast as you jog? You do. Okay. So 6 is the number of miles you jog every hour. Whereas 12.5 is miles you bike per hour. And you're trying to get to 150. If it says that you're going to bike 120 miles, how many hours did you spend biking? Do 120 divided by 12.5, and that would tell you the number of hours. You guys, why don't you just find the intercepts, okay? Find the x-intercepts, so you're going to simplify this. Find the y-intercept. Alright, I give you a point for going on the board and solving for x-intercepts. Take somebody with you. I'll give you a point for going to the board and solving y-intercepts. Take somebody with you. Y'all two, and then cheer and freeze there. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, the zero thing. Do the zero thing.
Y'all keep stealing my stuff. Stop taking my stuff. I'll give you it because you ain't stealing my stuff. What's that in your hand? Steal it from me. Here.
Did you already do that in your homework? Nice. Good job.
I did that too.
Good. Good job.
So proud of you. So proud of you. So proud of you. You could read that. I can read it backwards. I can read it next.
Or jogging.
No.
Alright, you guys, the rest of class, you're working on these questions. Like you wrote down for homework, the answers in Schoology. If you want to work in a different way than I'm going to show, I'm going to put answers up. I started with 1 and 2 yesterday. I don't think I got much
No, that was not mine.